So first you have to draw a rectangle like that. Okay. Now you have to press C and type 3 and enter for a triangle. Now here you have to draw a triangle like that. Okay, the radius is almost a 4 inches. And then you have to just take offset just like that and select this face only and right click, and you have to make it in a component. So here I will set axis at the center. Okay, just like that. And here you have to select this cut opening option and then click over create option. So just go inside again and delete this face. Now here you have to copy multiples. So just I'm copying like that over here and flipping this at this right axis like that, green axis. Okay, then have to move here. Now you have to multiple copy by pressing Control with move tool and type the number of copies. So here I'm typing X 10 30 35. Okay, now again you have to select this entire model and then have to move with control for a copy, and here again we will use flip tool to flip. Now first step is done. The second step is you have to click a draw a circle here. So here I'm drawing a circle. A small circle here like that, and again you have to make it in a component. Remember, type or definition 1, description A and definition A. Okay, and then have to set a center point. So here I will select the axis at the center of this circle and click on a create button. Okay, now you have to move it little bit downwards like over here, and I will place this circle at 3 points over here. Select the entire model, and then you have to use this option scale by 2, this second option transform object by tractor. Okay, then here you have to play with the settings, and here we will use informal scaling option. The tractor scaling is 5 feet. Multiples here scale will be 0.5. Okay, and I have choose decreased option, then click OK. Here you can see all the triangles that I have created parametrically scaled. Again I am selecting this, and this time I'm using increase option. So here you can see this is work like that. What the difference in an increase and decrease option, you have already understand here. I have given the examples. So I have to again click here, and this time I will reduce the scaling 0.4 and then click OK. Okay, here you can see. Now again I need to select this, and this time I will use a rotation option. So this time I have to select a rotation about blue axis. This is the angle and this is the attractor distance. So I will type 3 feet and click OK. Here you can see what happened here. Selecting all, clicking over here, attractor will be 5 feet and then angle will be 10 and click OK. Okay, it forms something like that. Now we need to extrude it. So faces and select entire model, right click and explode it. Now it's exploded and all the faces are perfectly cut. If it's not cut, you have to select like that over here, and then you have to use HS Power or plugin and click over face finder option. Now select this face and delete it. Okay, now here I am going to apply a color I have pressed shift button with bucket tool to apply same color. Now here we will use push pull tool to extrude in a vertical direction little bit. So guys, you must have this plugin to create something parametric forms, shapes in SketchUp. You must have this plugin. You can download through the link in the description. And thanks for watching. Please share to others. Please subscribe and see you next tutorial guys. Thank you. Have fun.